Hazrat Nafi reports Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu intended to perform Hajj during the rule of Hazrat Ibn Zubayr radiyallahu anhu. In the year when the Khawarij performed the Hajj, it was said to him, "It is very likely that there will be a fight among the people, so there is a fear that you might be buried." He said, "You have the best in the following of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I will do the same as the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did. I make you a witness that I have enjoined on me Umrah until when he was in the ground of Baida." He said, "The Hajj and the Umrah are the same. I make you witness that I have combined the Hajj with the Umrah and bought a garlanded animal." Till when he reached Makkah Mukarramah, he made the circuit of Allah's house and marched between Safa and Marwa, and did not perform any additional act, and did not make anything legal for him which stands forbidden in it, till he got his head shaven and sacrificed the animal on the day of sacrifice. And he considered the first circumambulation which he performed for the Hajj and Umrah sufficient. Thereafter he said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did the same. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1708.